Hey, sweetie. Are you in your chair? Hi. Cammy is almost 5 months old. Well, we're counting this as her 5-month photo shoot. Cammy, how do you feel to be 5 months? You like to feel everything? What about those teeth? Can we get a close-up on the teeth? Let's see if we can get this in focus. Cammy, let's see those teeth. Oh, there they were for like a second, huh? Whoa, that tongue. There they are. We got them. Good girl. Yeah, she loves her hands and her feet and just touching everything. Right, Cam? Cam, how are you doing? You in your rocking chair? Cammy? Hi! Aw, you're being cute. Wow. You gonna giggle? Not today? Wow. 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 Cammy. Uh-oh. You got your shirt. Okay, say bye-bye.